In this video I will give you some toppings ideas. Hello everybody, welcome to Fabulous Pizza. I'm about to make my pizza. I'm gonna eat it for lunch and I will provide you with some inspiration for a couple of toppings. Today is gonna be kind of a leftover pizza. Let me make it quickly, and while I cook it I will tell you something about the toppings themselves. Now this time the base will be like a margherita. I'm gonna add some tomato sauce and some mozzarella and then the rest. Fresh mozzarella. And let's start with the toppings. This is the leftover from my last night dinner. And since we don't waste anything, of course, why not make a pizza with it? Here's my special green touch. I want all the green thing. You probably noticed already, you probably understood already what I'm putting here. If you didn't, just give me a minute. I want to add more and more and more because I like all the color. Okay, here. Not bad, not bad, not bad. And there is actually another topping. I will add it after I cook the pizza. Let's stick it in the oven. Here I am. So as I said, this is kind of a leftover pizza. The leftover in particular was the very first topping I put on top of pizza. And yeah, it's meat. I'm sure you understood this meat. It's some pulled pork. Yesterday I had quite a big portion, and I wanted to give an extra touch to the pulled pork with the small cubes you probably noticed. Can you see the green ones? I know you understood already they are apple cubes. I sliced it literally 5 minutes ago because I didn't want them to become like black. This is gonna be like my dessert later on. And here is the tip for you. You probably are aware of it. You need to sprinkle a few drops of lemon on the naked surface, otherwise it will become black. And I will put something else after I bake the pizza. Here it is. It's a cream. It's a paprika cream. I made it yesterday actually. It's basically none other than a simple bechamel sauce with plenty of paprika, because I think paprika matches pretty well with the pulled pork, and it has also a very nice contrast with the sweetness of the apple, which is also a little bit acidic, so it will wash away the greasy part, both of the cream and of the pulled pork. And also the apple will provide a nice crunch, beautiful under your teeth. Let me check the pizza. Lunch is ready. Show it to you. Think you can see it. Cool. Let's add the extra sauce. Nice. I will show it to you closer. There is a little flyover here. There you go. I hope you like this pizza. I hope I provided you some inspiration. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook account. And of course, if you feel like supporting me, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Now I cut it and I eat it. Ciao.